are beautiful.
Merry Christmas. Oh my God, you are beautiful.
You are beautiful.
You are beautiful, man.
You are beautiful.
Wanna use one of these lines for your clips? Well, this is the place to go. This is the quick, easy tutorial to get there. Let's see how amazing this is. First, go to Play Phrase Me, sign up, and that's it. What you have to do, just write down the line you want to hear, and this marvelous AI provides clips from videos where you can hear the line. Perfect, right?
I'm gonna let you walk out of here without seeing what's in this box. Then you don't know much about it.
Oh my God, he's trying to stick it in his butt.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You are crazy, Richie.
You are crazy. You are a crazy son of a bitch.
You are crazy.
You are crazy.
You are crazy.
There's 2 holes for your ears. This is brilliant.
This is brilliant. You have got to start writing again, Frank.
Wow. This is brilliant, Billy. Really, it is.
Amy,
You got it.
this is brilliant.
This is brilliant for everyone.
I never met anybody named Oswald.
You're my best friend, and I've never met anyone like you before.
I think I can safely say I've never met anyone like you either.
I've never met anyone new before.
I've never met anybody that looks so good in the morning.
You can then record your screen, and that's it. Pretty cool, right? So, your turn now. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.